Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. To put any application on a full screen on your laptop, you either have to double click the top bar of the app and then double click it again to demaximize. You can also click this square icon in the top right corner of your app to maximize it and then click it once again to demaximize. Or you can also grab the top bar of the application and drag it to the top of your screen, then release it, and this will also maximize your window. And the other way to put your application on a full screen is by clicking on the window that you want to put on a full screen and clicking F11 button, or if F11 by itself doesn't work, hold down Fn button in the bottom left corner of your keyboard and then press F11 and then use the same combination to demaximize your window. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.